Hey, what's up? I'm Kevin from ONYX Motorbikes. We're here to work on a display of the CTY and the RCR. First, we're going to talk about the display. We have your battery voltage right here. And if you don't want to use this, we do have bars for them right there. And you have your speed indication right here and how much mileage you're going to have on your bike. Right up top here is your trip mileage. Over here, you can tell what time it's going to be. Now, I'm going to show you how to change your display if you guys actually need it, right? Here we go. If you want to change your mileage to kilometers per hour, just hold on your button down here. Give it about 45 seconds maybe, or a minute. We'll see. Here we go. There it is. Now you're at kilometers per hour. In case you have to change your clock, let's turn off your bike. Boom! And then hold your top button right here while you're turning it on. There we go. Now we have a blinking time over here. Now your clock is set. If you want to change your trip mileage, we have it right on the top left here. You do have your mileage here, but now if you want to reset, just in case you have to go on a grocery trip, just hold on the top button there, and it's reset, brother. The reason you want to reset your trip mileage, all right? If you want to see how much mileage you're going to get out of your battery. It's up to you whenever you want to do it. Just reset your trip mileage, man. Hey guys, if you have any other questions about our beautiful bikes, the CTY and the RCR, we're here in El Segundo, and this is my crew. Is that okay? Nailed it! Damn it, is that all right? You guys are fucking assholes.